My name is Lynn Davies and I work for a company called Pro. We work with manufacturers in terms of digital transformation and operational excellence. We actually work with the businesses to drive productivity to make bottom line gain. We work with business on digital transformation and also operational excellence. First thing we feel really strongly about is that the business has strong measures in place to have a baseline for improvement. The one thing that we have developed within the business is a system called POET. POET analyzes, process and looks at the data and information in terms of productivity that you get back from it. It gives us the information that we need to make the improvements, to make the gains to the bottom line. And it does that automatically from the business. So what it takes away really is the need for analysing data and creating data and spreadsheets and so on to do presentations to the management team. POET does that for you. I actually feel that working with the Digital Accelerator program will give SME businesses in Wales an advantage in terms of productivity in utilising some of the technologies that are available in making their lives easier.